Hey y'all, so a lot of people ask questions about how to do a phone call over the i9 voice changer. It's pretty simple, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk you through it. Here we go. This is your i9 voice changer. Now what you need to do is you need to make sure that you've got it plugged into the right ports. So we'll start with our phone because that's what we want to use to make a phone call on. I've got an iPhone. So what I do is I've got it plugged into the bottom, got my converter that goes from the iPhone proprietary nonsense to 3.5 millimeter cable. And note that this is a TRRS, tip ring sleeve. This is the one that comes with your i9 voice changer. So that'll accommodate a mic, left channel, right channel, and ground. That's what your four different sections are. So you've got that plugged into there. And what you do is you bring that into the top. We are going into Live 1 or Live 2. I pick either one. So that's where our output occurs. So don't be confused. The microphone on your phone will not be picking up anything. And our input comes in via the headset. For input-output situational awareness, for output, you cannot use Bluetooth for an output device. Bluetooth can connect to this, but it will only connect as an input device. And I don't believe it connects as anything that you can voice change upon. So it will only come in under your music context. On our bottom, we've got headset jack. So come in with a TRRS, and as you can see, tip, ring, sleeve. You've got 4 different metal portions. So we've got our mic, our left channel, right channel, and ground. So if you've got a headset input that actually splits out into 2 different cables, you're going to need a combiner. Just make sure that you plug it into the right joint. So I've got headphone to headphone and mic to mic. Then I can make sure it's plugged into the headset jack. Ensure your audio inputs are set to the right levels. Max out mic and voice. Mic controls the volume level of the microphone relayed to your output device. Make sure that that's maxed out, okay? You can, if it's down here, you're not hearing anything. So keep that bad boy maxed out. Voice is essentially master volume, because when you do this down, it cuts down on your mic too. So just make sure that those are both maxed out. If you're doing a music input, you put your music input in down here, or you could wirelessly input via Bluetooth, and then you can control its volume here. And of course, prior to your call, you set it up on whatever voice change feature you want. And also, prior to your call, you'll want to test it out. Okay, so here I am in the headset. Now, you won't hear it, but test 1, 2, test 1, 2. So, I hear myself, and what I hear is, here, I'll show you. So, you're going to hear a combination of my voice and a female voice coming out the other end. So you see that it's working, but the main concern is getting it to transfer to this without transferring what's coming directly out of my mouth, right? And that's where this comes in. When you put this into the phone, it overrides the existing microphone. So let's place a phone call to me. I'm gonna phone call to my voicemail. That way you can hear me say in my normal voice what I'm saying, and then we'll hear what is actually heard on the receiving end. I'm using Google Voice to call to my own phone.
At the tone, please record when you finish recording. Or press 1 for more options.
Okay, so now I'm recording a message. How does it sound different than this? Let me just jump through this. So right now, I totally sound like a guy here, but a woman through here. Cut to a different one. That's a deeper voice female. A witch. That doesn't sound like a witch at all. I'll jump up here. DJ. There we go. Oh, yeah, that's good. DJ. I think that's probably enough examples. I'm going to hang up. Oh, wait. No, the call's down here. Oh, yep, there. Oh, look. It's a voicemail from me.
Okay, so now I'm recording a message on my phone. How does it sound different than this? Let me just jump through this. So right now, I totally sound like a guy here, but a woman through you. Anyway, let's cut to a different one. That's a deeper voice, female.
A wish.
That witch is terrible.
Lolita.
There we go. Oh, yeah, that's good. Alright, I think that's probably enough examples.
You get the point. It works. It's just a matter of making sure that your lines are set up correctly. This isn't just for the phone. This will also go to the PlayStation or Xbox or whatever. So that's it on that. If it helped out, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. Take care. I'm out.